Alright, YouTube. I'm Mark Pursuit right here speaking. Look like we finally got some snow. I believe we got about 1 to 2 inches of snow, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm already sliding. As y'all can hear, ABS is kicking the hell out my feet right now. There we go. Alright, finally stopped. But I'm gonna be doing a little test drive of the Crown Victoria, driving in the snow on some Eagle RSAs that are about 80% tread wear with an open differential, not limited slip. So let's see how it goes right now. I'm going about 20 miles per hour. Right now, it actually is driving just a little crazy. As y'all can see, the ABS was kicking my foot a minute ago. Look at this fucker wanna fly. But the ABS was kicking my foot a minute ago, and I was actually trying to go ahead and stop at the stop sign. Lucky wasn't no cars and nothing coming away, because I was a little bit out there in the intersection. Yeah, I think it will be good to actually have some snow tires on here. Snow tires will make the Crown Vic much more better up in snowy conditions like this. And I'm quite sure a bunch of you other guys get way much more snow and ice and slush and everything else better than what I have down here at my location. Some people can, fly through it, but I'm not gonna do it. Too risky. I kind of like it anyway, having a intersection a little bit all by myself. I'm going about 25 miles per hour right now. But it's supposed to freeze all the way back over later on. Temperature is about 20-something degrees outside. I want to say about 25, 22-ish, somewhere around there. But later on tonight, it's supposed to drop to about 10 to 15 degrees. So of course everything is going to freeze back over again. Almost lost footing right there. But I'm just doing a little quick drive for you guys just to actually see things about the Crown Victoria. Yeah, the sandbags and things of that nature will actually help the Crown Vic, but unfortunately I don't have any. Wish I had some good old snow tires on here though. So I'm gonna have to invest in snow tires and of course keep my Eagle RSAs as well. But the Eagle RSAs, they're real shitty up in the snow. Last year when we had some snow, I actually used the Firestone Firehawk GT Pursuits around about the same tread wear. They performed just a little bit better, well, gripped a little bit better. But stopping distance wasn't really all that. I'm going downhill right now. Just trying to maintain and make sure I don't go in somebody's ditch or run off the road or slide into anyone. So I'm keeping my speed about 20, 25-ish, somewhere around there. Don't want to go too fast. Don't want to go too slow. Even though the speed limit right here, speed limit is about 60 miles per hour, but ain't nobody go drive that damn fast out here when the ground is like this. Driving in a good old overdrive. The great thing about it is I haven't saw any wrecks or anyone stuck on the side of the road or anything like that. So that's a great thing. But that 1 year, man, people was all over the place. But I'm gonna try not to make this video too long for y'all. Probably keep it about, I wanna say probably 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Hell, who knows? I might just go ahead and do 10. It just really all depends though. Alright, I'm getting up to about 30 miles per hour now. Because of course I'm going downhill. Hopefully I can make it back up this hill on my way back to the house. But it's just a little quick test run right here. Just showing you guys how the Crown Vic actually performs up in snowy conditions. It's not the best vehicle to have in snowy conditions. With all the sleet and snow and being a rear-wheel drive vehicle as well, yeah, it's really not good to have. Whoa. Whoa, y'all see that? Look at it. Oh, there we go. Huh. See, there we go. Look at it. Just slid off the road. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, y'all. That way I can go ahead and fix it off.